Hi, this is Bill Roper, executive producer on Champions Online, and today we're going to show you how to build a character. The character creator in Champions Online is huge, it's deep. The amount of things that you can do with the character creator are really pretty spectacular. Champions Online is all about customization. That means that not only is it the look of your character, the color of the costuming pieces, and the amazing amount of selections of different pieces of gear that you can wear, but also things like changing the hue of your powers once you have them, the emanation points, where they come from, and that just goes on and on and on. Everything that we've done in terms of the character creator is making it as expansive and expandable as possible to allow you to create the character of your dreams. The first thing you're going to start with is power sets. They are basically designed to be different backgrounds for your character, different ways you kind of express the beginnings of the hero that you're building. The game benefit is obviously how they impact different statistics. Those statistics then fold into ways that you're going to take super stats, so you're really, really strong or really, really fast. And then how different things happen, like how often you do critical strikes, or how well you dodge, or how much damage you do, or how fast you regenerate energy. So they're all really tied in, and what they are is thematic groupings of different types of, again, classic 4-color comic superpowers that you can choose from, either in a package, which allows you to then take a thematic set, or if you want to, go into a custom framework and use every power in the game to be able to build your hero from. A great example would be is if I wanted to make, let's say, a character called Thunderhead, or I wanted to have the concept of commanding storms. I could use a lot of powers and skills from the electricity power set, but then I could also pull into darkness, let's say, to represent the thunderclouds. I could maybe take some might powers, so I could have that explosive concussive powers and abilities, or maybe force, so I could push people back, like with storm winds. Again, it's all about the design of my character, the concept, and then how I can go and choose different powers from different sets and really create that custom experience for play. The best part to me of the character creator now comes to life, which is getting in and playing with your costume. We know that a huge, huge thing that is a draw for anybody who loves superheroes is creating what you look like, being able to make that iconic figure in the world. Our costume creator is amazing, just the amount of selection you have, the detail you can put in, the colors, even the body morphology. We're encouraging you to go through and just be wild and put all these different elements onto a character to make something that's really going to stand out in the world and be an iconic representation of the hero that you want to play. Everything's presented for you in really simple drop-down menus to go through and select from. And if you're like me and you just like to have some crazy ideas pop up and then pick and choose from them, you can actually use the randomize button. You can just click on random several times, see different iterations of ideas for characters, and then very simply go in and lock the elements that you like. It really makes it a nice way to almost speed browse through the different options to build a character. The amount of options is really amazing. And the great part is that the more you play the game, the more of these options you can earn and unlock. Just like you see in comics, sometimes there are heroes that will share a name or share a concept for a name. We know that's going to happen, but the important thing is that when I put that name on the character, I'm going to get the name that I want to really put that last finishing touch on my concept. As many options as we can give our players, the better. We try to make sure that there's all those things there that players can build on, both from the beginning of the game and then as they earn as they go throughout the game.